Yo, what's up YouTube? So different type of video for me. I'm going to be trying to build a new PC. Um, I have built one in like 2017. It's the one that I'm currently using and it runs good, but I figured it's time just to build a whole new system. And it's probably the wrong time to do that because the prices are so crazy. But I figured if I buy as many parts as I could off Marketplace, maybe I could save some money. So here's kind of what I got so far. This i5 12600K, which is apparently brand new, unless this dude sealed this up somehow really good. Doesn't look like it's the seals have been broken. I got this power supply and this motherboard, which actually came bundled with this Geometric Future case. And this is apparently, I believe this is the Model 5, which online it looks like it's a really good case. I don't know anything about Geometric Future or, you know, good PC case brands, but this one looks pretty solid. And I don't know if you can tell from the inside, but it's clean. Like, they haven't even turned this thing on. The glass panel here still got the plastic on it. And the story behind that is this lady said her son started building this and then quit and then moved out of state. Maybe he's in the military or something. She was just trying to help him sell it. I don't know if she spoke to him beforehand, because I just don't think he would have sold it for what she sold it to me for. But yeah. And it also has a 500 gigabyte NVMe in there. So this case came bundled with the power supply, the motherboard, and that hard drive that's in there. So a pretty ridiculous deal, and took care of like half of my build basically. This DDR5 RAM, I did buy one of these sets off of Amazon because I was worried about paying for used RAM because the prices are so crazy, and if it doesn't work, you can't return it. But then I ended up finding the exact same brand on Marketplace for a really good deal too. And so I'm going to try that one first, and if it works, I'll just return the Amazon one. And that's my plan. Then this digital CPU cooler there. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm just missing a GPU. I should have that by tomorrow. And then I'll put it all together. Maybe I'll make a video when I'm doing that and tell you guys all the prices, which you won't believe. And yeah, we'll see. If you're into this PC building stuff and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see how this goes.